Okay, so here we have a Moft SNAP Tablet Stand for tablets with 9.7-inch screens or larger. It's a snap-on stand that you can fold like origami in different positions and different angles. But you need to attach a sticker on your iPad, and I'm not so fond of that because I don't like to have some sticky things on the backside of my iPad. But this sticker should be easily mounted and removable, so maybe you can have it like that without hurting your iPad or having some dirt on the backside and so on. The quality of the stand feels like leather somehow. Feels like quite good build quality. The sticker though is another thing. Let's see how easily you can remove the back of the sticker. As you see, it was quite easy to mount this on the stand itself. Now let's see how easy it is to attach it to the iPad. Now let's see, we can mount it on the back without covering the smart connectors and the camera. Maybe like this. Then let's see how hard the stand fits the iPad now. As you see now, that's one way doing the stand in portrait mode. It works, but I don't think ideal actually. I'm not sure that I like this. I'm not fond with the sticker, and I don't think it's stable enough on my iPad. So I'm not sure I like this. You can also have it in landscape mode, the stand, like so, for example. But I'm not so happy with this actually. It works, but I'm not so happy with this stand actually. You can have the sticker attached quite easily on the iPad itself, so that is not a problem. And you can attach the stand to the sticker quite easily, but then again, I don't think it's so strong. The magnets on this is not so strong, so I don't like that. It feels unsure to mount the stand and use the stand with the iPad because the magnets is not so strong. So all in all, I don't think I like this stand so much. And you will find links down below in the description text where you can buy this stand from Moft. But personally, I don't think I will use it. It's not a thing for me to use this stand for my iPad Air 4. I don't think this is something I can recommend, unfortunately, but go check the links out.